And they're off. Early lead is taken by Princess Julian by the rail, and Hennes Gold moving up on the outside to take second. It's Princess Julian followed by Hennes Gold on the outside. Be My Queen running in third. Bahala Na and Hot Gossip. At the mid-back stretch, it's Princess Julian by half a length, followed by Hennes Gold on the outside in second. And running in third by 4 lengths, Be My Queen. Hot Gossip running in fourth by 5 lengths. And on the outside is Bahala Na. Rounding the far turn, Princess Julian on the inside. On the outside is Hennes Gold now moving up to grab the lead. Hennes Gold on the outside by the rail, Princess Julian. And running in third is Be My Queen by 5 lengths. Bahala Na and Hot Gossip. And into the home stretch, Hennes Gold on the outside, Princess Julian by the rail, and closing in third is Be My Queen on the inside. But it's still Hennes Gold in the lead, Princess Julian, and Be My Queen moving up by the rail. But it's still Hennes Gold in the lead, followed by Be My Queen. It's Hennes Gold on the outside, Be My Queen moving up on the inside. It's Be My Queen on the inside. And finally at the payoff line, Be My Queen, Hennes Gold, Princess Julian at Gossip, and Bahala Na.
Okay, 1, 4, 2, 3.